Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. The ADA chart is currently still holding well above the 56-cent level support that we discussed in previous updates. There is still a possibility that the larger dip that occurred here on the 3rd of February marked the completion of a larger wave 4 correction. We can see that in a little bit more detail actually, or not necessarily detail, but we can see the bigger picture here on the daily time frame, or at least the larger time frame. It allows us to understand what the key scenarios are on the larger time frame. And on the daily chart, you can see that a potential fourth wave bottomed on the 3rd of February. That's a corrective pullback in a still unfolding C wave to the upside in our yellow scenario. This is one of the roadmaps I'm tracking. In this scenario, however, the next high could be the last one, possibly with a top around $1.72 or $2.36. And at the moment, the swing low from the 3rd of February is still holding, but I have not really any evidence that a low is in, okay, and that this wave 5 has started. But this is why we are tracking the smaller time frame so frequently that we get very, very rapid alerts and signals as soon as something is changing. What happens if we break below 56 cents support, which is the support level on the smaller time frame? In that case, then the focus will shift to the yellow support region, which is the support region in which the price already found support in October, September, August, and where we saw a reversal to the upside. So this would be an alternative scenario that we say the potential B wave pullback that likely bottomed in August, never finished, and as per the orange scenario, in a short-term bearish alternative, we might have to test that area again. So that's what I'm tracking on the larger time frame. Certainly what I can tell you is that there is no evidence as such that the 3rd of February low really marked a substantial low. I'm tracking that, but I said to you already in the last few days again and again that to really believe that wave 4 bottomed on the 3rd of February, I need to see a break above our signal line. And until today, that signal line here at 82.5 cents is holding. So the market tried to break several times above that key level, here, 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 here. And when I tell you that, we don't have any confirmation and probabilities are balanced because we're still in a larger sideways range, then I do this because it is the case. And you can clearly see how important it would have been to break above that level, but the market attempted a breakout and just failed. I also highlighted over the last few days again and again that the probabilities in these sideways ranges, not only on the ADA chart, but from what we can see across the sector, the probabilities are fairly balanced, whether we break out to the upside or to the downside from the local ranges. And at the moment, well, the ADA chart is still holding support. So we are far away from the lower boundary line, which is here. Lower boundary line is the invalidation point as well for this so-called 1-2 setup. In a 1-2 setup, we are typically looking for the price to rally after completing the correction. So in this case, in a possible uptrend, we had a first rally, and this is just the corrective pullback. But there is support, which ends at 56.7 cents, and there's an invalidation point, which is this one at 50.9 cents. So any break below that would clearly suggest that, or would actually confirm that we have to focus on the support region from October, September, August last year, as I just explained to you. It is important to understand that in this correction, we're tracking a complex correction, a WXY structure, and the Y wave is likely unfolding right now. And for the bulls to really have a chance here, I don't really want to see more than one more low. So one more low is acceptable. That would be in this 4-5 pattern. So one more lower high in wave 4, one more lower low in wave 5, and then ideally not below 56.7 cents, or invalidation will become very likely. And the resistance area is between 70 cents and 66, and only a break above 70 cents would be an early indication a low has formed and the microstructure needs to be reinterpreted. Yeah, that's the update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.